Fairfax County is proud to participate in the 50th anniversary celebration of the National Historic Preservation Act. One of the key elements of this federal legislation was the establishment of the National Register of Historic Places, the official list of the nation's historic places worthy of preservation. The National Register is part of a program to coordinate and to support public and private efforts to identify, to evaluate, and to protect America's historic and cultural resources. Over the past 50 years, 59 Fairfax County properties have been listed in the National Register of Historic Places, including the original Fairfax County Courthouse, where I'm standing today. Of these 59 properties, 48 are individual sites and 11 are historic districts. Some of these districts include hundreds of properties that contribute to the historic character of the National Register district in which they're located. The following video will highlight Fairfax County's National Register properties and districts. While many are privately owned and maintained, others are publicly held or owned by historical foundations, and they are open to the public. Sully, Colvin Run Mill, Green Spring, and Huntley are National Register listed properties maintained by the Fairfax County Park Authority. They're open for you to enjoy and to experience our local heritage. We hope you will take this opportunity to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the National Historic Preservation Act with us. Please visit the county's website displayed at the end of the presentation for more information.